Every successful steel structure project begins with precise engineering. Today, we take you to Argentina to showcase one of Lanying Steel Structure's ongoing industrial building projects, from engineering drawings to on-site construction. This steel structure building measures 54 meters in length, 39 meters in width, and 12 meters in height, providing a total construction area of over 2,100 square meters. The structure is designed according to the project requirements using Q355B high-strength structural steel, ensuring excellent strength, durability, and long-term performance. The building is engineered to withstand a design wind speed of 165 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for demanding environmental conditions. All structural calculations, fabrication drawings, and connection details were completed by Lanying's professional engineering team before production. The main frame is manufactured using welded H-section steel members made from Q355B structural steel. High-strength grade 10.9 bolts are used for structural connections to provide reliable load transfer and long-term stability. Before painting, every steel component undergoes SA 2.5 shot blasting, followed by 2 coats of anti-corrosion paint to provide durable protection against harsh environmental conditions. Every production process follows strict quality control standards before shipment. With all steel components precisely fabricated, the on-site installation progresses smoothly. The drone footage clearly demonstrates the accuracy of the structural alignment, beam connections, roof framing, and overall construction quality. Thanks to precise manufacturing and efficient logistics, the project is advancing according to schedule. This is another example of Lanying Steel Structure's capability to deliver complete steel building solutions for international clients.